Hey everybody, Jacob with ATV Wholesale here, and I want to show you why the new 2025 Surron Ultra Bee might just be the best in class mid-sized electric dirt bike. Let's dig into some of the specs and features and see if this is your next bike. So this is the 2025 Surron Ultra Bee, and Surron didn't reinvent the wheel, they just made a good thing even better. So right away you feel a bump in power, 18 kilowatts in sport mode with a quick hit turbo mode that peaks at 21 kilowatts. Guys, it's punchy, responsive, and way more refined than any of the prior years. The new motor and controller setup means smoother torque delivery, and you even get throttle maps, regen braking, and traction control. That's a big step forward in feel and comfort. The suspension's been upgraded too, and we're talking 50% stiffer fork tubes, new hydraulic bump stops, and a frame that's now tougher without losing that nimble Ultra Bee vibe. Taking it out for a test ride just around our shop here, I was blown away at how responsive the chassis, the brakes, and the suspension all felt. Everything integrated perfectly. And one of my favorite changes, the new 18-inch rear wheel. Better tire options, more sidewall flex, it just grips better in rocky or rooty terrain, and especially adding a 21-inch wheel to the front gives the bike a more full-size feel. It's not a full redesign, but honestly, it doesn't need to be. If you liked the old Ultra Bee, this one's stronger, smarter, and more ready to ride right out of the box. So as you can see, the 2025 Surron Ultra Bee is a best-in-class bike. Go on YouTube and check out some of the more in-depth reviews. You'll see everybody raving about this bike. Read the comments, go on Reddit, check out forums. The 2025 Ultra Bee is an incredible bike, especially if you're looking for more of a dirt bike experience. And as you can see, sitting next to a light BX, it gives you the extra power, size, battery, and suspension that you might be accustomed to. So give us a call if you're interested. We're here in Sacramento. ATV Wholesale Outlet is your #1 hub for everything e-bike and eMoto. We got Surrons, Talarias, E-Ride Pro, Ventus, ETM, what have you. Give us a call. We're happy to help. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.